A quick update on XCN, and no, we're not going to have bacon cooking in the background on this one, hopefully, but you can hear it a little bit. But with that being said, you can see that XCN right now is getting stuck at the 382. So going from the low to the high here, this 19.5 level up to 2 pennies is what we have to get back over to be bullish again. So as long as we're below that, we could get another back test of the trend line here that we already tested a couple times on these daily candles, and we could drop all the way down to the 618 area here. So we could still be in store for another 10% drop and another back test, like I said, on XCN. But it did end up breaking out. It's not moving yet. It's just kind of sitting here. Every time it gets above 2 pennies, it seems to sell off every time. So we'll get this out of the way. But as long as you're over that macro 3-2 at 16.7, we're still bullish on this thing. So we'll see how it ends up. If we get a slow crawl down all the way to that level, that would be another test of it, and then we could go up from that point. Hopefully that's not the case, but if you're bullish on XCN, then you're probably loading up on your position on every dip here. But overall, on the 3-day and weekly chart, we know this thing is holding up bullish here. And we could also even say, on the larger time frames, we could pull this up and we're still in the bull flag pattern. But the big price to watch, of course, is this 2-2 level. If we can get over the 618, we should get a nice little run up to the 786 area at 5.5 and get about a 200% move. So about a 3x once we get things going here on XCN. And the volume area up here could get tagged also. So we're looking at that 5.5 up to 8 to 10 cents. And if it makes it up to 10 cents on the next run, that would be about a little over a 5x up to 10 pennies. And then, of course, if you're going to hold this thing to $1, we do have the 1272 at 87.5. So if it reaches that, there's a good chance you may hit $1. So that level there is about a 45x from where we are today on XCN. So we'll see how it plays out. We cover it all the time, every day on the channel here, and all the time on the live stream. So with that said, comment down below. None of this is financial advice, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.